Losing your phone isn't just a headache if you don't act quickly. If your phone is lost or stolen, it's not just your relatively expensive handheld. Passwords, financial records, work documents, and other sensitive information can be compromised if your device falls into wrong hands, but if you take the right steps promptly after realizing it's been stolen, you can limit the potential damage to a lost handheld and nothing more. So here are a few steps that you must do if your smartphone is lost or stolen. Call your phone number with another device to see if you can find it nearby. If you have left it behind or dropped it, it is possible that a Samaritan may receive the call and help you with its location or may even deliver it, if the particular person is kind enough. Additionally, send a short text with a return request and your alternative number to your phone number. If your device is set to silent, use the play sound feature in Google Find My Device to ring. It will continuously ring for 5 minutes even when on silent. By default, both iOS and Android devices turn on the Find My Phone feature, provided the user is logged into the Google or iCloud account. It is an inbuilt security feature to find, lock or wipe data on your device in case of theft or loss. On Android, Find My Device can show a pinpoint GPS location of your device on Google Map. You will be surprised to see the location accuracy when in action. Alternatively, type Find My Phone on Google search, and you can view the live location on the search result page itself. Similarly, Apple offers the Find My iPhone feature to track the location of an iPhone. You must have the location services enabled and access to your iCloud account from a computer for this to work. If you want to delete all content from the device, click on Erase Device on the Find My Device page. Click on Erase Device again to continue. After that, authenticate your account by signing into your Google account. After the verification is complete, Find My Phone will permanently delete all data from your device. If your device is offline, the wipe process will begin the next time it comes online. You have to keep that in mind that, once the data is erased, Find My Phone will no longer work, and you won't be able to track the device using the service anymore. Smartphone banking apps are protected by PIN or biometric checks, but email, online shopping, and other apps often lack that extra layer of security, so change the passwords for all important services you use frequently on your smartphone, such as email, online banking, shopping apps, password managers, etc., to prevent unauthorized access and use. It is very difficult to circumvent banking app biometrics and PIN-based security measures with a stolen phone. However, some users store their financial credentials in plain text on cloud services, emails, or notes apps. In this case, it is imperative to notify your bank and temporarily block the card and account. Also, contact the support desk of each service provider to block all your UPI and mobile wallet services. However, having access to your SIM card makes it much more likely that someone can reset your financial app password, so the next immediate step is to lock the SIM card. As soon as you realize your phone has been stolen, you should notify your carrier or carriers. Through an OTP-based password reset system, you can ask the network operator to lock your SIM card to prevent unauthorized transactions and access to other services. If you have a monthly calling plan, your wireless service provider can lock your device and prevent it from being used with a new wireless service provider. Reporting a stolen or missing device to the police can help in many ways. First, it helps combat fraud committed after your phone is stolen. Also, if you have phone insurance, your insurance company will require a police report to process your claim. Don't panic if you lost your device or if it's stolen, as there are many ways to recover. If you happen to know any other useful or entertaining and useful topic, feel free to drop us a comment, and we hope you like the video. Please give your support and strength by like, share and subscribing to Just Smart Tech. Meet you in the next interesting video.